Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to log the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy A5 2017. Okay, everything is really easy. All we need to do is to launch the settings, make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi, it is really important. Then scroll all the way down until you find developer options. If you don't see them, but if you have the bootloader unlocked, you should see that. But if it's turned off somehow, go to About Phone, go to Software Information, tap on the build number until you see that developer mode has been enabled. Scroll down, developer options, and you need to turn off the OEM unlock feature if it's enabled. Thanks to that, you will lock your bootloader. Currently, it's locked. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.